and my sister are planning on putting some artificial grass down here. We just laid out this weed barrier. I was going to video it, but I've already put it down now. I forgot. So when we get ready to lay out the artificial turf, I'll start videoing that again. And the wind just caught that, so I got to pull that over. Alright, we had to put some bricks under here. The wind was blowing. Now that we put the bricks up here, the wind isn't blowing like it was. So I guess the next process that we're going to do is start laying some of the grass up here. So now what I do, there's my scissors. Okay, there's the grass. Let's get some of that grass and put some of it up here. Let's lay it over here. Okay, get this plastic off. Alright, that's that. Put this over here for right now. Out the way. Lay these right here. Let's do this side first. Go that way.
Got it?
Oh, yeah. Alright. We're going to have to piece it together because they're too short. But I'm going to take some nails and nail it down also. Alright. Go this way. There.
You gonna have it up like this?
We'll slide it this way. There we go. That'll be alright. I guess we could let it be up a little bit. That way the grass can't grow through. And then now we'll have it like that. Alright. Now let's get another one. Lay it out.
You gonna lay it on this side or that side?
Let's lay it on this side. Oh no, we'll I still don't know if we got enough. I might have got another one. Because we already used one. I think I can use that one over there if I cut it the right way. Anyway, I went with the pieces that were not as big. I could have had it cut to the right size, but that was like 300 and some bucks, and I didn't want to spend 300 and some bucks, so I went the cheaper way. Just as it'll be pieced now. Alright.
Hey, was it supposed to go that way, the other direction?
Still won't be long enough because it's 10 foot wide. Go that way. I got it.
You gonna put it here or over?
Yeah. And then we'll just piece that side. Alright, that should be long enough at 16 feet. Because they're each 8 feet. Okay, all the bricks are out from under it.
Alright, so let's try.
How much we got left? Okay, that's good. And we got this. What's under the brick? Yep, that one's hiding. That one's hiding. Alright. Yep. Would have looked more realistic if I had went in a more expensive way, but it'll be okay. This one. Get this plastic off.
Dang, this time the metal had been being.
Alright. This one we're going to have to cut in order to piece it. Alright. I need to cut this one in half, I think. Let's see what we got. Go that way. If we got enough, if I cut it in half. Probably not. Nope. I only got 8 foot here. I should have had 4 of them. Maybe I can do it this way. Yeah, I can do it this way. There we go. This thing. It's not going to be pieced like I was wanting it to be, but alright, we'll do it this way.
Is that okay on the pullover, or you want less?
Less. Let's see what it looks like if we just go side it like that. Pretty sure there's a seam tape you can use too. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some. Feel like there's a seam tape you can use to piece it together like this, and then you can't tell that.
That black Gorilla tape. Ain't you got some of that?
Nope. But if we do it like that, it looks more realistic. But for now, I'm how to go to Lowe's. I'll go later. And get some tape. And then I can tape this together where it looks more realistic.
Where did you get this at?
Lowe's.
Let's see, go ahead and get another roll.
Why?
Ain't gonna be enough. Cause you're gonna need at least 2 more pieces that wide.
Yep, you're right. So
You can Dwayne do it, flip it around like this and go that way and lap it like you did here. That'll extra help it where it don't come up as bad.
I'm gonna we're gonna run it that way, but
What way? Like this?
like this the long way. That way it's not pieced as much.
Hold it over here for a second. Let me pull it up.
Okay. Throw that out the way. This over here. Wow. Let's see.
Pull that way. See it right there? In the middle right there.
Alright. Alright. It's there. Alright.
Which you could, since you're gonna have that extra anyway,
Whoops.
you could,
Alright, I'm gonna get some seam tape.
pull it.
Then I'll put it like this. And you won't be able to notice that it's lapped over because I'll have it side by side and
And you could
Okay.
pull it more, this, since you got all of that, pull it more where it goes up too. And tap you some tacks into the side towards the bottom. And that'll help it hold to that where it don't shift.
Right.
You know, when you move something on it and it wants to shift, that'll help it stop from shifting because it'll be nailed to your outside boards.
Well, I'm gonna have nails through it anyway. Or whatever it is you use to put it down.
Yeah.
But as of right now, I'm gonna throw some dang. My measurements, I sure don't know how to measure. I might would have should have went with the whole piece.
How much is another piece gonna cost you?
40 some bucks.
So that's gonna be, so it's just
Well, it still would have been like $100,
piecing it. It would have been how much to not piece it?
3 something, $100 more.
They say
Oh, well.
$100 is $100.
I know. But for now, I'm gonna put some bricks on it until I can get the Lowe's.
Which is heavier than that other stuff.
What stuff?
This green stuff.
Still, if a storm comes up, you know it's been. I've had this stuff since Saturday, and it's Friday now, and it's rained every day, so I haven't been able to even start on it. All right, let's put some bricks down.
I put somewhere to go on around there.
Put one there. Put one there.
Some that goes.
There.
Hey, Linda. Oh, that's right there.
All right. Some more bricks. One there. There. Whoops. Dirt came out.
One more brick.
All right. Let's put one here. Okay, guys, I went to Lowe's. I got me some landscaping nails, and then I went to Harbor Freight and got me some big drill bits because I don't know what I did with mine. And this rebar I already had. That's what I've been using to drill holes and stake the landscape timbers down with. Alright, I got me some drill bits, which I told you from Harbor Freight. So I'm going to see if I can put these landscaping timbers together here. Alright, we need one smaller than that, I do believe. Go down a size. let's try this one. This is what, 1/2 inch. Alright. We got that. All right. That mistakes are in. So that's done. That's complete. All right, if you look right here, we have holes. Hole here, hole there. That's where I'm going to start putting my landscaping nails in, is right in these holes here. So let me get to that so I can start nailing it down. Alright, we're going to start putting these nails down. That went mighty easy. Too easy. Should be one right here. I don't think that other one hit anything. Alright. Should be another one around in here. Flatten that out. Stretch that.